Step into the future of work and creation with Microsoft Copilot Pro, where AI innovations redefine productivity and collaboration seamlessly. Hello and welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving headfirst into the future of productivity with Microsoft Copilot Pro, a revolutionary AI innovation that's set to redefine the way we work and create. I'm excited to take you on a journey through the intricacies of Copilot Pro, exploring its features, pricing plans, and the profound impact it will have on both individuals and businesses. So buckle up as we embark on a deep dive into the heart of Microsoft's cutting-edge AI technology. The vision behind Copilot. Microsoft's vision for Copilot is nothing short of revolutionary. Positioned as the flagship for AI-powered content generation, Copilot signifies a strategic shift from expenditure to revenue. Engaging over 40% of Fortune 100 companies in its early access program, Microsoft envisions Copilot as a pivotal revenue generator. The introduction of a consumer-focused Copilot plan aims to broaden the customer base, transforming the landscape of AI-powered productivity tools. This initiative not only propels Copilot as a premium add-on, but also marks a significant moment in Microsoft's pursuit of sustained, large-scale growth. Copilot's transformative journey unfolds as it emerges as a reliable revenue stream, shaping the future of content generation technologies. Consumer-focused Copilot Pro plan. Microsoft's stride in innovation continues with the introduction of the Copilot Pro Consumer Plan, a beacon of AI excellence priced at $20 per user monthly. This plan propels Copilot Gen AI features across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote for PC, Mac, and iPad users. Exclusive to Microsoft 365 Personal or Family Plan subscribers, Copilot Pro enhances the lowest tier subscription to $27 monthly, unlocking transformative capabilities for users. Seamlessly integrating AI into daily tasks, Copilot Pro redefines productivity, making it a premium add-on that transcends conventional plans, offering an unparalleled suite of features that elevate content creation to new heights. Copilot Pro features unveiled. Embark on a journey of unparalleled productivity with Copilot Pro as we unveil its extraordinary features. In Word and OneNote, Copilot seamlessly crafts, edits, and generates text, revolutionizing content creation. For Excel and PowerPoint enthusiasts, natural language commands metamorphose into stunning presentations and data visualizations. In Outlook, Copilot becomes your indispensable ally, intelligently assisting in email drafting with customizable toggles. Copilot Pro subscribers enjoy 100 daily boosts in Designer, accelerating image generation with enhanced quality and landscape formatting options. Priority access to the latest Gen AI models, including OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo, ensures optimal performance during peak times. The future promises even greater customization with Copilot GPT Builder, tailoring copilots to specific topics. Beyond Microsoft 365 upgrades. Venture beyond conventional upgrades as Copilot Pro subscribers access exclusive benefits. In addition to familiar Microsoft 365 capabilities, Copilot Pro introduces daily boosts in Designer, Microsoft's AI-powered image creation tool. Accelerate image generation, elevate quality, and explore landscape formatting options. Dive into the forefront of innovation with priority access to the latest Gen AI models, including OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo, ensuring unrivaled performance during peak usage. Anticipate future flexibility as Copilot Pro subscribers gain the ability to switch between models based on preferences. Stay tuned for the imminent arrival of Copilot GPT Builder, enabling personalized copilots tailored to specific prompts. Copilot GPT Builder, a glimpse into customization. Embark on a journey of tailored AI experiences with Copilot GPT Builder. This feature offers a glimpse into the future of customization, unveiling the power to craft personalized copilots aligned with individual preferences. Drawing parallels with OpenAI's GPT Builder, Copilot GPT Builder promises to surpass expectations by seamlessly integrating with Microsoft services and apps. This tool is poised to revolutionize content creation, enhancing the user's ability to create chatbots and plugins with unparalleled ease. Brace yourself for a new era of AI customization, amplifying your productivity and transforming the way you interact with Copilot. Copilot for business expansion. Microsoft takes a giant leap towards business innovation with Copilot's expanded availability. Now accessible for organizations subscribed to Microsoft Office 365 Business Premium, Business Standard, E3 and E5, or Office 365 E3 and E5, Copilot's reach is broader than ever. The removal of the 300 user minimum purchase and Microsoft 365 license requirements signifies a commitment to accessibility. Notably, Enterprise Copilot customers gain exclusive access to Copilot in Teams, providing real-time summaries and action items. With enterprise-grade data protection and the semantic index, Copilot for Microsoft 365 delivers heightened personalization, ensuring businesses benefit from a cutting-edge, AI-powered productivity suite. Enterprise-grade data protection. Enter the realm of unparalleled security as Copilot for Microsoft 365 introduces enterprise-grade data protection. Elevating the standard of safeguarding sensitive information, this feature ensures a robust shield for organizational data. The implementation of the semantic index adds an extra layer of sophistication, creating a comprehensive map of an organization's data and content. With this, Copilot delivers responses that are not only personalized but also inherently more relevant. Microsoft's unwavering commitment to safeguarding sensitive information reinforces Copilot's role as an indispensable tool for businesses, offering a secure and intelligent AI-powered solution for content generation within the enterprise landscape. Copilot Studio. Customization for Microsoft Office 365 users. Empowering Microsoft 365 users, Copilot Studio emerges as the pinnacle of customization. Unveiled in November, this feature redefines content creation, offering expanded customization options to craft unique chatbots and plugins. Users gain unparalleled control, fine-tuning these tools with first-party company data. Copilot Studio transcends conventional boundaries, providing a dynamic playground for creativity within the Microsoft ecosystem. Its integration with Copilot GPT Builder promises a seamless experience, enabling users to sculpt their AI interactions with unprecedented precision. As a testament to Microsoft's commitment to user empowerment, Copilot Studio propels content creation into a new era of personalization and fine-tuned control. Free features for all. Amidst the evolution towards paid plans, Microsoft extends a generous hand to free users with exciting Copilot enhancements. The launch of Copilot GPTs tailored to specific interests like fitness, travel, and cooking brings a touch of personalization to the web client. The introduction of a free Copilot mobile app boasting GPT-4 and DALL-E 3 for image creation promises seamless cross-device experiences. Chat history syncing across mobile, PC, and web platforms ensures continuity in conversations. As a final flourish, Microsoft's dedication shines through as they expand Copilot's language support, ensuring accessibility to a broader global audience in the first half of 2024. Microsoft's multilingual expansion. Embarking on a linguistic journey, Microsoft catapults Copilot into global accessibility with a groundbreaking multilingual expansion in the first half of 2024. Copilot is set to break language barriers, expanding its support to Arabic, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, Hebrew, Hungarian, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, and Ukrainian. This ambitious initiative reflects Microsoft's commitment to inclusivity and user diversity. By embracing a myriad of languages, Copilot ensures that individuals worldwide can harness the power of AI in their native tongues. The expanded language repertoire not only broadens Copilot's user base, but also establishes it as a truly global and indispensable tool for fostering productivity and creativity across diverse cultural landscapes. In conclusion, Microsoft Copilot Pro is not just a tool. It's a transformative force that brings AI to the forefront of productivity. From consumer plans to enterprise-level offerings, Microsoft is redefining the landscape of content generation. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the unveiling of Microsoft Copilot Pro. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest innovations in the world of technology.